Standing in the crown of an avalanche that was triggered by a snowmobiler 3 days ago outside of Cooke City on Henderson Mtn. It's a north-facing slope, and it's quite steep. It's about 40 degrees steepness. We're at about 10,000 feet. The slide broke anywhere from 5 to 6 feet deep. So this was a monster. It was pretty big, about 400 feet wide or so. It's unsurvivable for the most part, so you would not want to be caught in this. It put debris down at the bottom around anywhere from 10 to 15 feet deep, and what we're finding is we've got this hard slab on top. We have a weak layer, which hasn't been that weak, but it's weak enough given the weight that's been put on it. This weak layer is a layer of surface hoar that was formed January 8th. And so since then, it's just had snow fall on top of it, windblown snow on top of it, and we measured 17 inches of snow water equivalent, which is a lot of snow has fallen on that weak layer. That's the equivalent to about 17 feet of snow that's fallen, that's windblown. So that's what we're looking at here, that it took to break that weak layer. Now, the scary part is that for the last couple weeks, when it snows 6 inches or so, sometimes these things break naturally. And you think, my God, 17 feet of snow and 6 more inches is what it takes to break that layer? And the answer is yes, sometimes it does. And it's kind of scary. And so us traveling out here today, because it just snowed 7 inches last night, we're staying away from avalanche terrain, we're staying off of avalanche slopes, because even something is seemingly light as 6 inches of snow is enough to ramp up the danger, and that's why we've got a considerable danger.